What's up, Team Buckhouse? So Vail Resorts opened yesterday, and sadly I couldn't get a reservation to go there. All the COVID stuff, it's kind of a mess. If you have questions on reservation or COVID, I have two videos. So here's the reservation video right there, as well as the COVID video. My buddy Sean actually got access to Vail Resorts. He got to snowboard there for opening day, and I asked him if he'd do a top to bottom for us. So my buddy Sean filmed a top to bottom opening day Vail. Here you go.
Thanks for that intro, Jonathan. I'm sorry you couldn't be here at Vail. I am here at Eagle's Nest, at the top of Eagle's Nest, and I'm gonna bring you guys for a top to bottom, back down to the gondola. A lot is open here at this mountain. Gondolas on both sides, but right now, just right here, Eagle's Nest, let's do it. that is what they have open from the top of Eagle's Nest down back to the gondola. This is a small fraction of what's actually open at the mountain. So hopefully you get a chance to come out here yourself, Jonathan, and try it out yourself soon. Thanks for letting me do this top to bottom for you, and I'll see you guys later. Back to the studio.
Big shout out to Sean for filming that first and then editing it. He filmed it on the GoPro Max. So if you're wondering how he got all those cool shots, he filmed it on a 360 camera. If you're in the market for a 360 camera or the best GoPro on the market, the GoPro Max is linked in the description, as well as all my other camera gear and snowboard gear. But also, go give Sean a follow, subscribe to the boy for doing that. He makes great, incredible drone videos, as well as technology videos on cameras and things like that. Check out Sean's channel, it's linked down below. He also gets out in snowboards. Also, I posted a vlog today, so don't miss out on today's vlog. It's a really good one. We talk about collisions and things, so that video is right there as well. So many ski resorts are opening, so comment down below, what ski resort have you gone snowboarding at or skiing at? And if you haven't yet, are they almost opening? You know what I'm saying? Like, comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Who's riding yet or not? And of course, this isn't a video if I don't mention Evolution merch, guys. Hoodies, t-shirts, hats, stickers. It's all linked in the description. So if you want an Evolution sticker, snag it and then tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shoutouts, but also follow the Instagram. It's where you know where we're riding for each day. It's a bunch of behind the scenes content. My stories are a ton of fun. So check out my stories if you are following my Instagram. And overall, the Instagram is a bonus content, so make sure you're checking that out. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need.
That was the most impressive thing, Benton. His name's backflipping Benton, but that was way more impressive, guys.